Hey guys, welcome to my channel Photography, and in today's video I'm going to be repotting this Hoya Kerrii. I've had this Hoya for about a year and it's grown really long tendrils. However, I think it needs to be repotted because every time I water it, like it dries out. I just think it has a lot of roots and I think it's ready to be repotted. Now I was going to repot this into this planter here that I purchased from Avalon Nursery. But it's about the same size as the pot. Not gonna be a huge difference. So what I'm gonna do, hopefully I don't kill the plant, hopefully the plant thrives. And I know that doing this to a Hoya, it's not gonna allow it to grow peduncles because Hoyas grow peduncles when they're root bound. But I cannot stand watering this plant so often because it dries out really quickly. So I'm gonna use this pot for it. A huge size pot as opposed to this one. So let's go ahead and do that. For my potting mix, my soil, I'm gonna use the Fox Farm along with the little fish. That's pretty much what I use most of the time, and I already have it here, nice and ready. So let's go ahead and get started. I guess I'm gonna put the pot in here just so that I don't make a mess and start putting the soil. I'm not gonna put anything on the drainage hole because it already has a drainage hole, so that's really nice. And now that it has some soil, I'm gonna let this Hoya loose. Oh, this is definitely good. It's very dry, as you can see. Definitely does have lots and lots of roots. Not as root bound as my Hoya Bobata, which I made a video on. I'm gonna leave a link, a little card in here on the video, but definitely needed to be repotted. So today I'm going to talk about supporting your mom and pop's nurseries as opposed to going to Home Depot or Lowe's and buying your planters from these shops, especially now with the coronavirus. I feel like it's crucial for them to get business as much as possible. Not only are you getting are you supporting like a local mom and pops and helping them with their with their income, but you're also helping your community, since if you support local mom and pop shops around your area, you're gonna get more local mom and pop shops because they're doing well, as opposed to not supporting them and then going bankrupt or closing down. Then that's not gonna make any other business entrepreneurs that maybe wanted to open up a business shop around there, they're gonna probably get scared of opening a plant shop because the one before closed down, if that makes any sense. So I think that's really cool. I've always supported my local mom and pops. I've been shopping there with them for a very long time and I don't see myself stopping. You build a nice relationship with the owners and it's just nice. I think it's also really, it's a very nice relaxing trip that you take there because there's a lot of plants, and I think it always makes it fun and entertaining to go and talk to the owners and talk about plants. So I think that's really cool. So like I was mentioning before, also with the coronavirus, I haven't gone plant shopping at all. So I don't like going out with the face mask. I mean, of course you have to wear a face mask when you go out. I just don't like it, especially now that the weather here is really hot. With the face mask, I always feel like I'm sweating, or like I don't know, I just feel like I don't know, I just don't like it. Of course you have to wear a face mask, and I'm not telling that you're not supposed to wear a face mask. I just, I'd rather just stay home and avoid any risky situation of getting any kind of problem. Okay guys, so I am done with this Hoya. Let me just fix it up here on the side where it has lots of soil. But that's it guys, this is my Hoya Kerrii Hearts. Nice and potted up with its nice new home. I think it looks really, really nice. I'll do some close-ups here, but definitely I hope that this thrives. I will definitely buy some nice hoop trellises so that the tendrils right here can actually attach themselves and definitely grow larger. But yes, this is my Hoya Kerrii. I haven't made a video on Hoya Kerrii. I also have the Hoya Kerrii variegated. So I might plant that one on this one, I'm not sure. But anyways guys, I hope you guys are having a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a next video. Don't forget to drink water, water your plants, and if you're gonna go outside, wear a face mask. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.